A very warm good morning to my respected principal sir, teacher, and my dear friends. This is Anjali from class 7. I would like to say something on World Population Day. As a planet, there are abundant challenges we face about our future. Pollution, depleting natural resources, climate change, crisis are all major difficulties we must try and resolve. However, our biggest challenge still remains the exponentially rising world population. Over the last 150 years, our planet has been such a population explosion that it has rapidly become our biggest crisis. To bring focus to this problem of overpopulation, we celebrated World Population Day every year on July 11. The World Population Day is marked on July 11 and it is an annual event. The main purpose of marking such a day is to bring awareness about the rising global population and the issues and problems that arise with such overpopulation. The event was first suggested by Dr. Zakaria in his capacity as a demographer at the World Bank. It was during his term the population crossed the 5 billion mark. So in 1989, the Governing Council of UNDP, United Nations Developing Programme, decided to mark every July 11 as the World Population Day. So this day is being marked for over 3 decades in various way by all the participating nations of the United Nations. The most obvious objective behind the World Population Day is to educate the whole population about the consequences of rampant population growth. It is necessary that people understand the effect it can have on the environment and the development of our world. Overpopulation is leading to very quickly depleting natural resources in the world. Some of these resources, like fossil fuel, are non-renewable and are causing major problems already. Such depletion and scarcity are breaking havoc on the livelihood and the daily life of people. Another important aspect of World Population Day is to teach the general public about sustainable development. It is an effective way for us to lessen the threat we face from the population explosion. It ensures that our future generation can also enjoy the same privileges and resources we are able to enjoy at the moment. Countries also use the occasion of World Population Day to spread awareness and education about family planning, poverty, and human rights. The UN Population Development, along with UNDP, closely work with various countries and other agencies to spread the message. They even plan and execute several programs to educate people and help curb global overpopulation. Every country celebrates the day in its own unique method. Students get involved, posters are made, events are held, and hopefully the message is passed on. Thank you.